at the fort in Cartagena. It's a lot of uphill, going to go all the way up here to get way up to the top, so it's going to be a bit of a climb up here. Don't know how far I will get, but I'm going to go very slow. Well, I made it this far up the fort, up the steep incline, and used every last ounce of energy that I had. And it's overcast, which is good because you don't have the sun beating down on us. It's still very hot and humid, and we're going over to the other side of the fort here. Okay, well, we're on the other side of the fort. Nice little breeze coming here. Feels good, believe me. There's the high-rise section, Cartagena. I don't want to lose my hat here. Gotta hold on to it. We're still walking around the fort, and you can see the old walls here. And I don't know if we're going to make it up to the top. I think that's our objective. I hope I have enough energy left for that, for my fans out there. All right. Very good. Well, I'm exploring a little bit by myself because the rest of the group went in this passageway on the ground. They said it's very low, so I'd have to bend over in half to get through it. And I said, I got too many bumps on my head already from low passageways and everything here, so I'm not going to do it. Oh boy, this is steep. This is steep. It's like a 45-degree angle here. Am I going to make that up there? I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to try. It's going to be very slow. Well, I think I made it somewhat to the top. Maybe not to the tippy top, but close enough here. We got the flag, the Colombian flag blowing in the breeze here. I'm going to take a little closer look. I don't want to get too close to the edge here because I'll go falling down then. So yeah, there's the Colombian flag. And in back of me, we got the high rise. The rest of the fort here. We got Santi over there taking some photos. There he is, he's waving to us. And we got more things here. We got the guard, we got like a bell over there or something. And people taking photos there, okay? Well, maybe this is probably not a bell. It looks like it could be a lookout tower. I'm going to try to go up here without injuring myself. And people were a lot shorter then because you can see my head doesn't fit in there. So, but there's a guy who would be standing in there. I guess he could shoot out there and see the whole everything that's going on there. So yeah, got a good view there. All right. Well, this is December 24th, 2024. They celebrate Christmas today. Even though it's hot, I'm still wearing my hat most of the time. My head is hot. But I got the flag right in back of me, the Colombian flag. I'm at the top of the fort here. So yeah, all right, there you go. Okay, say goodbye to all my fans out there. Subscribe, I'm trying to make 1,000 subscribers. You could help. Thank you, bye-bye. All right, we got some cannons up here. There's the guy in the lookout parapet there. Got an old cannon here and whatnot, but I got to get back to the rest of my group. So I'm heading out here now. All right, I'm going back down now, so I'll catch up with the rest of the group here. Okay. Oh, the outside of the fort here, the greenery down there, the guy that's playing the trumpet. There's the rest of our group. Yes, there they are. Okay, they made it. All right, we're heading back down, going back down here. So I did pretty good. Didn't make it up. Well, maybe it's sort of up there, but not that, but yeah, it's gonna be a little bit easier going down. I don't want to pick up too much speed and start rolling down like a snowball here. So all right, there's our bugler up there. You can see him. I gave him some money, so he did a little something there for me. So bye-bye. Bye-bye. Going up there. Okay, There's the fort, there's the flag where I was up there. So I walked all the way up there, was up there, came down. Now I'm coming down, came down this. There's Santi up there. Santi is up there. He's running down here. Our rest of our people are coming back down. So here they come, part of our group here. We got a lot of tourist groups. There's the ladies with the fruit on their head, and a lot of bus groups coming up here because there's ships that come into port here also. So our bus is over there somewhere. And so, all right, we're almost at the exit here.